Welcome to a Daily Tech Tips. In this video, we'll guide you through how to open the camera on your Mac, and you can then go and see and use your webcam. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there's actually an app built into your Mac which can go and do this. So what you can do is go to the top right of your Mac and click on Search and type in Photo Booth like. So with it selected, you can press enter or click on it. It will then go and open up. And it'll take a moment and your webcam will go and turn on. And there it is, you can go and see me there. This is super cool. You can go and check out the effects if you want to. Ultimately, to go and take a photo, you just go and click on the camera button, and you can click there, you get a countdown, and a photo will then go and be taken. As you can see, there it is.